everyone, my name is Priyanka Shahasne and I'm one of the organizers at Crowdsource Quidditch. So today I'm going to tell you how to fill the form. Crowdsource Quidditch form is very important to be filled perfectly, because if there is any mistake it would be a big issue, because that application would directly get disqualified. So a kind request to everyone, kindly read the whole description before you apply, so that you get the eligibility and you get what the competition is all about. Okay, so the first thing is your mail ID. Make sure that the mail ID should be same which is used to the Crowdsource app. Okay, then your name, mention full name, because that's gonna be put into your mails and everything. So make sure that it's the full name. Then your state, then you're from which city, your college, which degree you're pursuing, because it's mandated to be a student to be a part of this competition. Then your educational year, then your interest, you can select multiple choices. Then we have just given a screenshot of the exact application page which you have to submit. I'll quickly tell you where and how you can get it. So let's move to the Crowdsource app. This is the Crowdsource homepage. And you have to go into menu, then achievements. Then in that, it's mandatory that it should be level 7, that is 1200 minimum contributions to be a part of this competition. Then you have to go into details. In that details, you'll get this page. You have to take a screenshot of this and you have to upload it over here in the upload section. Now, to be very clear about what is this all sections about, like contribute in handwriting, contribute in image capture, and contributions in SmartCam. So you have to go back to this, and we'll first see, okay, what is the first one? First one is handwriting. So you have to go back to the app and you can check. Okay, you can check that in the handwriting there are 3 contributions. So you have to type in 3 over here. Yes, just a second. Yeah, and in the same way you have to give a smart camera and you have to give for image capture. Make sure that you have to put the contribution according to your screenshot, not by this screenshot. Okay, this is just a sample screenshot to make you understand what you have to upload. And one important caution about the competition, just please make sure that you put in correct data, and when you are contributing, please take care of yourself and stay safe. Thank you so much.